Before you learn how to trade memes, you need to know how to invest and how it works. I'll give you guys my theory and my thesis. The way you want to invest, or the way you want to approach trading crypto or stocks or anything else, especially in the risk-on assets, crypto or stocks are considered risk-on assets. These assets, they sort of move in tandem with the current macroeconomic situation or environment. For example, when they cut rates, the risk-on assets go up. When they increase rates, the risk-on sort of goes down because people are looking for safety. There are times where people are looking for safety, and there are times where people are looking for risk because money is cheaper. So first, you need to have a thesis. What is the thesis of the market right now? What do you think about the overall market? Now, I can give you an example. When I was in Germany, when I was in Europe, which is a month ago, I was giving you updates every day on what was going on with the tariffs because we were using that information to create or to generate our own thesis. So the thesis was that, look, tariffs are really bad for the markets. The markets are going to get scared. They will sell. And you remember the day I told you that the bull market starts today. I literally told you when they made a freeze on all the majority of the tariffs were frozen for 3 months. I told you the worst was behind us. From that point on, we're going up. That was my thesis. So I went in the market. I started buying everything because I had an idea. I had an opinion. My thesis that, okay, I don't think we're going to go back to a day where Trump is slashing China with 300% on tariffs. That's not going to happen anymore. That was the worst. From here on, we're just going up. So even though we have been pumping for the last 2 weeks, we're pumping, but we're still far from where the market was. It still hasn't fully recovered. Now we're in the recovery phase, and it will go on for a while. Now, tomorrow the market can crash because of some bad news, or the next day also, but that does not negate the fact that the macroeconomic environment is bullish. Everything is looking up. The Feds are under pressure to cut rates in the United States. The European Central Bank, they have already started cutting rates. China has already started cutting rates. So it's basically like a ping pong game. It's very easier to understand and predict what happens. So do not worry too much about what happens tomorrow. What if Trump launches a coin and all that? Think about 2 months, 3 months, end of the year. Think about December. December, Bitcoin will be at $250,000. Now, ask yourself, where would the meme prices be? Most of them will be at billions of dollars of market cap. I hope that helps. If you think that helps, smash the like button.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.